So in my chat with Liz, you're probably all used to, you go to talk to somebody and you have that chat. Across the top of your messages with anybody, you'll default to landing on their chat, but there are two additional things, or at least one. There's shared, and in shared, this is everything that you've shared between the two of you. So you can see that Liz is always sending me links. Halo is our ticketing system. So she's always sending me these links to our ticketing system for like different tickets that she wants me to look at. Looks like we were ordering food a couple months ago, so she sent me a link to order. So if I'm trying to like quickly reference something that have been sent to me before, I can look at shared. Also, we have Storyline. So Storyline is part of something called Viva Engage. And this is actually included with your Microsoft 365 license. And when you go to someone's Storyline, Viva Engage is basically like their internal Facebook, essentially. And so when you go to their Storyline, it's like their personal Facebook page. And you can see that in August, Liz posted a few photos from my trip last week to Glacier National Park. And I mean, it's just like Facebook. There's messages, there's replies, there's hearts. And here, moving day is done. This was a dramatic day when we finally got rid of our office that we had for, no one knows exactly how long, but around 30 years. So she posted a little something in here. So this is part of Viva Engage, and you can, like, when you're chatting with someone, jump right over to their Storyline, which is great. If you'd like to see the full Viva Engage, I have that added here as an app. So I did the same thing we started with, where I did my little ... I added the apps, and I pinned it here on the left. There can be a little setup involved with Viva Engage. It's not that much. We set up ours in like an hour. But here, when I go to our Viva Engage, here's my feed. And so I can like share a thought or idea, just like Facebook, just like every social media platform. You can see that it's Mariano's birthday today. So very exciting. And just like everything else, we can comment, we can tag people. Happy birthday. We can add gifts. We can add all sorts of, let's find a good birthday gift. Let's see, Snoop Dogg dancing, always a winner, and we'll post it. So fun stuff here. It's a good way to like just interact with everybody. We also have our little fitness challenge going on right now. So one of our groups is our fitness challenge, where we have some fun graphics, and I did some yoga with Nina. So you can see some posts here from Viva Engage. So it's a good way, especially if your team isn't all in the office, whether they're remote or on site or whatever else. It's a great way to just kind of be engaged with everybody.